I'm Gigi Nikpour. I'm a paralegal at the Community Legal Services. My job basically is deal with employment-related issues, things like wage theft, expungement or sealing of criminal records, different kinds of discrimination issues. I come from Iran. That's my country of birth. And when I came to the U.S., the idea was that I get my education and go back. Something called revolution happened. One of the first things that happened was reduction of rights for women. I wasn't going to go back for that. And so I decided that, I'm just going to stay. During this revolution, a lot of LGBT youth got involved, and unfortunately, when there was an uprising on the streets, many of them got persecuted and put in jail. So I went and I found a few organizations that were helping LGBTQ Iranians who were seeking asylum. So I started working with them. And I said, this is what I want to do. And then I said, there must be injustices here in the US too. I started looking and I found CLS. I volunteered in the Supplemental Security Income, which is called the SSI unit. And lo and behold, my very first two clients, one was political asylum person from Iraq, and then my other client was somebody from Darfur, and I knew what they were going through. For the first 2 years, I learned what CLS is all about. And then I said, it's like when you're hungry, when you're ravenous, and you want more. It was kind of like that. When the pandemic happened, our employment unit needed help. And then I started doing, unemployment. The system was not working the way it was supposed to work. And many people did not get their benefits. We've had clients who became homeless, people with children. They had trouble putting food on the table. It was tough. I think everybody has a potential. I just don't like it when systems take people's potentials away. So when I see a system or a mechanism or something that didn't go right along the way, but then I can help, or I can motivate, or I can be the good variable in the equation. That's what gets me going. I created a subcommittee with the Mayor's Commission. I said, I'm going to work on the LGBT elders, specifically with the nursing home and with senior centers. They need to become more welcoming. The system is not inclusive, and you need to become inclusive. What gets me out of bed and to work every morning is knowing that I'm going to be able to do something for someone and make them smile and happy.